Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country and you will end up within the homepage. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings in order to enable two-factor authentication. Now from the account settings page, just click on security at the left side and then click on continue. This will then take you into your account security settings. Now within this page, you will see the two-step verification option. Click on the edit button at the right side and you will be asked to choose which kind of two-step authentication you would like to set up. You can either choose to receive a text message on your phone, or you may also use an authenticator app. Choose either one of these options, and if you choose your authenticator app, you will need to scan the given QR code within the screen, and then enter the security code that will appear within your authenticator app on your smartphone. If you choose text message, you will need to enter your phone number, and then click on the continue button. After proceeding forward with your phone number, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Just enter this code within the next screen and then continue forward with the verification process. And now, after completing all of these steps, you will see the enabled option alongside the two-step verification status. And this means that anytime you log in, you will be asked to enter the verification code through either one of these methods. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.